The impact of AI on the future of web development. Will coding jobs become obsolete? Imagine a world where coding jobs are a thing of the past. A world where AI-powered tools can generate websites, build apps, and even write code faster and more accurately than humans. It sounds like science fiction, but it's not. The reality is that AI is already making significant strides in the world of web development, and it's changing the game for coders. From chatbots to website generators, AI is taking over the industry, and it's leaving many developers wondering if they'll be replaced by machines. The recent GPT-5 release date leaks have sparked a heated debate about the future of coding jobs. While some argue that AI will augment human capabilities and create new opportunities, others believe that it will replace human coders altogether. But is this just a fear-mongering scenario, or is there truth to it? To answer this question, let's take a closer look at the current state of AI in web development and what it means for the future of coding jobs.
The deep dive into AI-powered web development tools. As we mentioned earlier, AI-powered tools are already changing the game for web development. From website generators to chatbots, these tools are not only faster but also more accurate than human coders. But how do they work? What are the benefits and what are the limitations? Let's take a closer look. AI-powered website generators, for example, use machine learning algorithms to analyze design patterns and create custom websites in minutes. These tools are not only fast but also cost-effective, making them an attractive option for small businesses and solo entrepreneurs. But what about the quality of these websites? Are they as good as those built by human coders?
The controversy surrounding AI and coding jobs. While AI-powered tools are certainly changing the game for web development, there's a growing concern that they'll replace human coders altogether. But is this a legitimate fear, or is it just a scare tactic? To answer this question, let's take a closer look at the impact of AI on the job market. Studies have shown that AI is already replacing human workers in various industries, from manufacturing to customer service. But what about web development? Will AI-powered tools replace human coders, or will they augment their capabilities? The answer lies in the data. According to a recent survey, 70% of developers believe that AI will replace human coders within the next 5 years. But what does this mean for the future of coding jobs?
The future impact of AI on web development. So, what does the future hold for web development? Will AI-powered tools replace human coders, or will they augment their capabilities? The answer lies in the data. According to a recent report, AI-powered tools will create 2.3 million new jobs in the web development industry by 2025. But what kind of jobs will these be? Will they be coding jobs, or will they be AI-powered tool development jobs? The future of web development is uncertain, but one thing is clear. AI-powered tools are here to stay. Whether they'll replace human coders or augment their capabilities is still up for debate. But one thing is certain. The future of coding jobs will be shaped by the rise of AI.
Call to action. So what does this mean for web developers? Should they be scared, or should they be excited? The answer lies in the data. While AI-powered tools are certainly changing the game for web development, they also create new opportunities for coders. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, the future of coding jobs is uncertain, but one thing is clear. AI-powered tools are here to stay. If you're interested in learning more about the impact of AI on web development, be sure to check out our previous episodes on AI-powered tools and chatbots. And if you're a web developer looking to stay ahead of the curve, be sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on AI and tech. And if you're new here, be sure to like and subscribe for more content on AI, tech news, and future of work.